Hey guys, Katie here with Shoes of Hollywood. Today we're going to be doing some more beautiful little pleasers. You can see this is the box just here. Now we've listened to a couple of you on the community page. You have let us know you want us to do a couple of enclosed shoes. Now we don't tend to do them too much because they don't seem to be as popular. So if you guys are wanting us to do lots of enclosed shoes, start watching the videos and let us know the thoughts. If you're really enjoying them, leave us a comment. We will be doing some red enclosed shoes today. You can see just here. They are a beautiful cherry red style. More made for the corporate world. If you work in the corporate world, they are awesome little shoe. Now they do have a bit of packaging just here, okay, so don't forget to take that out when you pop them on. More of the to come to a point style, you can see just here. Now we do also have this one just here. Now lots of packaging. These ones do have a little bit of a grippy bottom, okay, so they will be a little bit slippery, but I'm sure once you wear them a couple times they will be nice and supportive. They do have an extra ankle strap as well to support you a little bit more when you are walking, because they are designed to be I guess, as I said, more corporate style, so you will be on your feet a fair bit. Now these are a 5-inch, okay, so they're a perfect starter shoe for height. Here we go, make sure the back part isn't in the way. And they're just on like that. And we do up the buckle just like this. Now don't do it too tight, otherwise you'll have no space to walk, okay? No room to move your ankle around. There we go. Pop that on the side. I think they're quite a beautiful shoe. Now we undo this part just here. And just like this, move the little back part out the way. And do up our buckle just like that. Actually I might do it a little bit tighter. Let's go this one. Beautiful. Oh, there we go. Lovely. Here we are, guys. What do you think? Oh, very easy to walk in. Do you like the back strap? Very easy to walk in, a little bit slippery, but that's okay. Nice and shiny. Beautiful red. I'll show you a little side view. I think they're quite cute. More elegant style shoe as well. Take you outside now. have a look in the sun. How shiny are they? Sun's come out for us. Such a beautiful day today. Nice green garden. We've had lots of rain, as you can see. Might actually rain again. How cute. They're cute. Now it's a little bit muggy out here, so we'll take you back inside. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the little bell to be notified for whenever we post a new video. We wouldn't want you guys to miss out. And also don't forget to click onto the little community page, exclusive to YouTube, okay? And you get to see all behind the scenes. You get to see all of our girls' YouTube channels and also our Instagram. So do check them out. And there we are, guys, some nice red enclosed shoes. Let us know what you think. I know it was a special request from a couple of you. So if you want us to do some more, make sure you keep watching. Here we go. And there we are, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Let us know what you think. Leave us some comments.